Malia. Yeah. Wait, one more song. Yeah. And here's a beautiful Hapahale tune that I love. I think I'm not sure, but oh yeah, it was written by Lonnie Sang way back in the day. Wait. What key? Wait, maybe. Let me take that back. I'm not sure if Lonnie Sang wrote that. We'll figure it out. We'll Google search it sometime. But in the meantime, here's a song called Hawaiian Hula Eyes. Okay, bring us in. Hula. Hawaiian Hula Eyes. When you dance, you hypnotize. No, I can't believe it's true. Hawaiian Hula Eyes. It's you I'm thinking of. With a haunting dream of love. Along the sands of Loya Bay, with the signs and display, I'm reminded of the one I love. The swaying palms, I held it in my arms. My Hawaiian hula eye. On the sands of Luya Bay, where the sighing zephyrs play, I'm reminded of the one I love. Indeed, the swaying palms, I held you in my arms. My Hawaiian hula eyes. My Hawaiian hula eyes. Thank you, everybody.
All right.